Alrighty, well, I got the, I guess you could say blown Briggs & Stratton 4 horsepower, 4.5, and as you can hear, it doesn't have a blown connecting rod, but you can hear it's pretty well done for. So I'm going to open it up and see what kind of damage we have. First I'm going to take the bottom off and we'll take a look inside. So I'll take this last bolt out here if it wants to cooperate. Okay. Let's open up this case. And for some reason, the oil that was in this, I don't know if you can see that, for some reason it is gray. I do not know what this means. I did try and change the oil in it. Alright, I got the cover off. It's filled with gray sludge. Here's one of the lifters. Still don't know where the other one is, but find out here. And the connecting rod. Undo that so we can take out the piston and see how bad the cylinder walls and everything are scored.